This or this. These are rooms. This is a pencil. These are boys. This is a book. These are rulers. This is a kite. These are houses. Drop your answer in the comments. Parts of speech in English. Now, example, tongue, cats, love, pronoun, example, he, she, it, verb, example, is, run, eat, adjective, example, sad, blue, tall, adverb, example, very, slow, well, preposition, example, by, at, in, conjunction, example, but, or, and, interjection, example, hey, wow, oh, in, in town, in Canada, in the room, on the phone, on Sunday, at, at night, at work, at home, for, for the job, for learning, for a friend,